Reselling is a great way to earn some extra cash, but there is one major problem. After hours of searching for things to sell, listing your inventory one by one, and fulfilling your orders, you're left with hardly any time to do the things you actually enjoy. Enter Joost, the easy-to-use reseller app that saves you time and money. Here's how it works. To get started, choose from our broad range of product options. Our team scours the internet to find the best products, so you don't have to. Once you're ready to start selling, create listings from the app and your products will automatically upload to your seller accounts of choice. Manually listing products is a thing of the past. From there, you can easily manage your customers' orders, sales data, product listings, and more directly from the app. It's never been this easy. If you're still new, don't worry. Joost offers hundreds of helpful videos on how to take your reselling game to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Try Joost for free today and get back to the parts of reselling you enjoy.